my name is Richa Mishra and I'm from Odisha, and I'm sitting in the PreciGem dental clinic right now, and I want to share my story with all the patients who visit Dr. Khirnar. Before I talk about my case, I would like to thank Dr. Khirnar because I'm currently very happy with the results. So my case goes like this. When I was very young, I lost this particular teeth of mine. I had met an accident, and those days, there was no permanent solution for missing teeth. So I was using a denture, and I was not very happy with it. It took me probably years to find out a good doctor. That time dental implant was not available, plus I was not very keen to go for bridge because in case if I would have gone for bridge, I would have lost my adjacent teeth as well. So I wanted to keep my healthy tooth intact, and simultaneously I was looking for an implant solution. Then finally I got the information from the internet that there's a particular doctor in Mumbai who does dental implant. Well, before I came to Dr. Khirnar, I had spoken to other doctors as well who dealt in implants. But the problem was they told me categorically that they will keep my tooth like this for at least 4 months. And it was very embarrassing. I couldn't have imagined a normal life without a tooth in the front. So I was not keen to get myself treated from those particular doctors, with all due respect to them. Then thankfully I got information about Dr. Khirnar from the internet. I spoke to him. I spoke to his wife as well, who is also a doctor. They told me that they'll solve my problem. They'll look at my case, and depending upon the bone structure of mine, they will give me a solution. I visited them. They said that my bone is not in a very healthy condition, but then still they would give me a temporary teeth within 3 to 4 days, and probably after the healing, like 4 to 6 months later, they'll give me a permanent teeth. So I came and visited them. They did all, their job. I don't know the technicalities, but then they gave me a tooth within 3 to 4 days. I led a very normal life for 3 to 4 months. I think 6 months. They had asked me to visit within 4 months, but then I was not, I was very occupied with my work, so I couldn't visit them. So I led a very normal life for 6 months. Nobody could make out that I was not having a particular teeth in the front. And then, they finally gone for the permanent one. I would especially like to thank Mrs. Khirnar because she has taken, she's really got herself involved. She's made sure that I get the perfect teeth. That's very important. What else would you want from a doctor? I'm very happy with the results. You can see that I just can't stop smiling. And yes, one more thing. I've got a broad smile, so my teeth is very visible. So I was always very keen. To get a proper teeth, and plus I feel, it's very important to have a good smile if you want to connect with people. It's very important to have a good smile, a healthy smile. And I smile, I laugh at every silly joke. So for me, smile is very important. And finally, I've got the smile I always wanted, and I'm very thankful to Mr. and Mrs. Khirnar. Thank you.